Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. You are with CS Alakshmi Tota. So in this video, we're gonna analyze how market has performed today. So this is being the week close for the third week of the December. So let's summarize how market has performed for the week. So initially Monday and Tuesday market was at 24,600 mark. So it's strictly on a consolidation sideways market because people were more anticipating about the US Fed rate cuts update on Wednesday. So as and when the US Fed rate cuts confirmation has received on Wednesday, the market started crashing. So Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we have seen huge crash in the market, and yeah, currently market went into the strong bearish zone. So with that, since we have already discussed US Fed rate cuts being one of the major factor impacting the bearish market momentum, and also weakening currency because of the widening of the trade deficit, and also there is a certain overvaluation in the market which is now being corrected. So with that, let's quickly move into the indices and we'll discuss how the numbers are working out. And for that, I'm taking the application which is like giving clear data points to understand and capture the market movements. So this is based on certain types of analysis. So this tool we are still developing. So yeah, let's discuss how market has respected these numbers today or not. So with that, Nifty 50, it's closed at 23,587 and yesterday's close was 23,951. So it has around 364 points loss, majority 1.5% of the Nifty 50 we have lost today. So, and if we see yesterday, we have discussed Nifty 50 was falling, and we also indicated these indications what are giving here is like big alert we are saying. So as and when these numbers are in red, so it is indicating bearish zone only. So yesterday also these numbers are indicating red, and today also this high alerts are giving red indication. That means indicating strong bearish market momentum. So we expected yesterday also market will fall today, and then we discussed to what extent it will fall. So if we see for that, we are taking base of the numbers from the trader view. So let's see, like if you are following our videos, you will understand these are the two analysis we are stressing daily, Fibonacci and Gann analysis. So Fibonacci is considering based on percentage in terms of levels, and Gann analysis levels are decided in terms of the degrees. So there are certain strong levels from where we can understand the movements. So usually if we see yesterday, by the time market closed 23,951, it is around minus 38.2 degrees, 2%. So if we see today around 1 o'clock, it has slipped down from minus 50%. So it has fall further, and the moment it has fall below the minus 50%, so then it went completely on crash. So this minus 50% we have been telling it's one of the major indication, and also for tomorrow's or from Monday trading session we can also further expect the bearish momentum, because today the close is just below minus 100%. So this is one of the another indicator indicating strong bearish momentum in the market. So with that, let's see what will be the support and resistance for the next sessions. So for that, if we see 23,800 seems to be the next resistance level for us, and 23,300 is ranging around the next support level, and this is also confirmed from the OI change numbers. So OI change is indicating 23,800 as a major resistance and 23,350 as a major support. And there is also one more logic that we can rely for this. So Nifty 50, if I go to the today's data, so what I understand is like today the range created is like 528. So the low is 23,537. So at least I expect 50% of the range I'll recover in the next trading session or in the next week. So then at least if I add 250 points to the 23,537, it is also coming around 23,800. So with that, I can understand 23,800 is a strong resistance number that I can rely on. And if at all the market downfall, as we are expecting it will further go down, then we are at least expect support at 23,350. So let's discuss whether these numbers are working out or not in our next videos. So with that, let's see what all the counters have moved Nifty 50 today. So if we see just Dr. Reddy, ICICI Bank, Nestle India, HDFC are on the positive side, but if you see the points are very less, 4 points. and negative contributions are more. So around 46 counters out of 50 are traded on negative contribution. Since we have closed week today, so if we see week, so complete 48 counters out of 50 are on a negative zone, just 2 out of 50 are on positive. So for week also Dr. Reddy is on top. So there is another update for Dr. Reddy. So there is a news today that Tokyo based brokerage has indicated Dr. Reddy's stock from neutral to buy. So with that signal, so market has performed Dr. Reddy in a positive moment. So here we have also brought in new feature like sector. So you can have a visibility of how sectors have performed here. So for the whole week, if I say healthcare is the only sector performed on a positive zone, and rest all 14 out of 15 sectors are on a negative zone. This is purely with the US Fed rate cuts impact. Yeah, and let's quickly see how other indices have performed today. So Nifty 50, as we discussed, it's indicating strong bearish plus. Bank Nifty also lost 1.58%. It's huge loss. And yeah, it is also indicating bearish plus. IT Nifty also fall by 2.63%. We were telling in our previous videos like IT Nifty was still strong. Although it is falling, it is still indicating strong only. It's still indicating some bullish. But today it is 2.63% is a huge loss. So it looks like worrisome. So Fin Nifty is also fallen by 1.3% and mid cap fall by 2.64% and Reliance fall by 2.04%. Yeah, and let's see the stocks that have. So if I see what all the stocks had a huge loss today. So today top losers for Nifty 50 is Techem, Trent, IndusInd, M&M, Axis and Adani Enterprises being more than 3% loss. And let's see what all the banks stood top losers for the day, because all stocks were into red today. So that's why I'm not clicking on positive itself. So I'm just stressing on top losers. So IDFC First Bank being 5.21% fall today. And IT Nifty, let's see. So if we see IT Nifty, so LTIM recorded 6.37% fall today, and majorly more fall percentage has hit at the stock Siemens, which is 10% loss. Yeah, so with this netted we can wind up the video, and since these are the big alerts for the three indices, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and IT are still indicating red, so we can still expect market to be in a bearish for certain period of time. Yeah, with that I think we can wind up the video. I hope you find the video useful. So if you like the video, please do not forget to hit a like button, and also please subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts and feedback in our comment section. And yes, let's meet in our next trading session. Thank you.